Well. As my car continues to go faster and faster every day, it only makes sense that I buy me the best top-of-the-line driving gloves. Lovely grip, not losing control of the steering wheel and driving into a ditch with these on. And my favorite feature, Smart Swipe. So you can be driving and you want to skip a song on Spotify and you can just smart swipe it away. And now for the driving portion of this review, we're going to keep it nice and simple and just do some normal everyday driving. I'm not going to take it to no racetrack or drift track just yet. I want to see how it handles on the normal road with civilians. Alright. Stoplight, stop sign test. Nice. Nicely done. Switch lanes test. Very nice. I got good distance between me and the car behind me. Good steering, good shifting. I don't know if it's the gloves or the driver mod. Shoulder check. Ah, fuck it, let's go. I don't know. Let's go. One-handed steer test. Oh, that's a cop. Is that a copper? Yep, that's a cop. No finger steering. Yeah, you can do it. Very grippy. I like. Quick downshift. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm already going the speed limit as is. Turn signal test. Got it. Not enough. Oh, stop on red. Did not see that. I almost just blew it. But it went, oh gosh, I almost hit the sidewalk. Your hands don't get sweaty. Even if you have a nice firm grip. No sweat. Lovely handling. Oh, look. Oh, goodness gracious. Was that what I think it was? I think it was. It looked like it, but it wasn't. It was not. That must have been one of them LC 500s. Not the RCF. LFA. Goodness gracious. What am I thinking about? The LFA. It was not an LFA. Okay, but looked very nice either way. Complete stop test with the gloves on. But nice. Safe. We came to a safe stop. Now we're gonna turn right, and I would floor it, but there's usually a cop up yonder down the way, so we're gonna hold off on that for now. Look at that big bird. Is that a hawk? Y'all see that? Goodness. Jeez Louise. What that was. Okay. Why are we going 30 miles per hour on a 45? Okay. One-handed turn test, sharp. Medium left, Sammy. Nice. That one over there's gonna be a sharp, heavy, medium turn left. I don't know, I'm just saying shit now. Heavy along left. Coming up. One-handed again. Lovely. Medium right. Almost went off the road, but it's okay. The gloves handled it well and brought it back to between the lines. Damn, this was not a medium right, that was a long right. Long medium right. Stop sign downshift test. left turn, Sammy. Turn signal turn. Very nice. I'm gonna go too crazy now. Medium left into a sharp right. Very nice. These are handling amazing. Oh gosh, that's what happens when you go too slow. Double hand steering. Very safe, way too safe. Safe to the point where it feels boring having both hands. Take it back to one hand. Okay, I think we can floor it here. Let's go. Oh fuck, why are my wipers on? Okay. Final thoughts is that they're very nice. You get a lot of bang for your buck with these. I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. Everything is very nice, but I got them a little bit too big. See, y'all see that? I got them extra large. I should have got them just large, because I got tiny little nice pretty fingers. Maybe one day I'd take it out to the track or to a, you know, somewhere drifting, or I don't know. We'll see what the future holds. Maybe I'd buy tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe there's, y'all know that there's a chance that, well, there is for sure, you exist in another universe, parallel, the infinite universe theory. I don't know. There's just, you exist by chance, so by something of something, there must be more yous out there somewhere by probability. I don't know where I'm going with this anymore, but I'm gonna hang up now and okay, bye bye. But what if in another universe, never mind, okay, bye.